here at Eating on a Dime.
2025 was so much fun.
And 2026 is gonna be even better.
Now I know January 1st just ignites a little bit of organization.
And everyone loves to make resolutions and changes.
If yours is to eat at home or to save money,
we can help.
And we have a freebie for you.
We're gonna teach you how to make 10 crock-pot meals in 1 hour.
1 hour. It's all for free.
And it comes with a printable shopping list.
I have all the details and all the information in the description.
And don't forget, it's completely for free.
Let's start 2026 out strong.
With this easy, fail-proof recipes.
To help you eat at home.
By Eating on a Dime.
Let's make 2026 the best year yet.
We love you all, and don't forget, like and subscribe.
Grab that freebie below, and Happy New Year!